Save time and money with Arlington SNAP2It Liquid-Tight Connectors. They go on fast and easy right out of the box with no disassembly of the connector needed. You can forget the tools with the push-on style NMLT5. Just push it onto Conduit for a secure, liquid-tight seal. It saves about 17 seconds per connector compared to the screw-on style. That's fast. To remove it, unscrew it, then reassemble to reuse. Compare this with our multi-piece screw-on NMLT50 liquid-tight connector. Its no-spin ferrule allows you to secure the connector to Conduit while fully assembled. It takes just a few seconds longer to loosen the nut and screw it onto Conduit. And the cost is the same for either the push-on or screw-on liquid-tight connector. Produced from UV-rated plastic, our SNAP2It non-metallic connectors are designed for use with non-metallic liquid-tight conduit Type B only. They're competitively priced too. Save time and money with Arlington's no disassembly SNAP2It liquid-tight connectors.